Hello, I'm Kate Stichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. Even despite the fact that labor market and sector of commercial property continue to go through hardship, the US economic activity in whole will demonstrate the moderate growth in 2010 against the background of the restrained inflation. Jeffrey Laker, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Richmond, stated about this. Laker mainly repeated his comments, which were announced in the course of his speech in Baltimore a week ago. He said that housing sector should continue to recover from the very weak condition. The consumers should gradually increase their spending. The capital investment of companies should show the advance, and these elements of demand should neutralize the lasting negative effect of commercial construction sector. Laker comments mostly were concerning the economic outlooks, but hereby touched upon some other problems, including the budget deficit in the USA, proposed changes in the management of the US Federal Reserve System and bank crediting. Laker, who is intending to control the inflation tightly, was satisfied with dynamics of the consumer price index last year. The inflation in the USA was about 1.5% in 2009. At that, the report published on Friday was testifying about the fact that the conservative recovery of the economy is continuing to restrain the inflation. As for the US budget deficit, Laker noted that the current tendencies probably will not continue. Eventually, something should change, or the taxes raise, or the spending decrease, or the actual value of debt decline in view of the inflation, said Laker. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.